Hello, I am Chirag. Answer the questions on the basis of the charts given below. The global price for coffee seeds remains the same across the different coffee producing countries for the given year. The question is, if 1000 quintals of coffee seeds were produced by Mexico in 2004, what is the search and production cost? Solution. From the line graph, it is very clear that the global prices for coffee seeds in 2004 is approximately $39 per quintal. Therefore, the price of 1000 quintals at the rate of $39 per quintal is $39,000 in 2004. And from the pie chart, it is very clear that search and production is 27%. Therefore, search and production cost in 2004 is equal to 27% of 39,000, which is equal to $10,350. Therefore, the answer of this question is option number 3. Thank you.
Hello, I am Khushbu. Answer the question on the basis of the charts given below. The line graph gives the global prices for coffee seeds in dollars per quintal and the risk premium percentage of price for the period 1980 to 2004. The pie chart gives the breakup of the global price of coffee seeds in 2004. The global price for coffee seeds remains the same across the different coffee producing countries for the given years. Which of the following statements is or are true? Statement 1 is, the percentage change in coffee seeds prices for 2000-2004 is the greatest as compared to all the other years. Statement 2 is, the profit earned per quintal of coffee seeds in the year 2004 is more than that in the year 2000. And statement 3 is, the risk premium in 1990 for coffee seeds per quintal was more than that in 1985. From observation, we have the percentage increase in the price of coffee seeds is the greatest for 2004, that is approximately 160%. Therefore, statement 1 is true. The breakup of global coffee seed prices is not given for year 2000. And hence, statement 2 cannot be verified. The risk premium can be calculated as, for 1990 it will be $0.17 into 24, and that for 1985 it will be $0.18 into 17, and hence statement 3 is also true. So, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Answer the question on the basis of the chart given below. The line graph gives the global prices for coffee seeds in dollars per quintal and the risk premium percentage of price for the period 1980 to 2004. The pie chart gives the breakup of the global price of coffee seeds in 2004. The global price for coffee seeds remains the same across the different coffee producing countries for the given year. If the value of coffee seeds per quintal in 2005 goes up by 5% over the year 2004 and the ratio of risk premium in 2004 to 2005 is 6:10, then what was the risk premium percentage in 2005? The price per quintal in 2004 is $39. Therefore, price per quintal in 2005 will be 39 into 1.05 because it has been given that it goes up by 5%. That will be $40.95. Now, premium in 2004 is 19% of 39, that is $7.41. Premium in 2004 upon premium in 2005 has been given as 6 by 10, which will be 7.41 by X. This gives X, that is the premium in 2005, as $12.35. Therefore, percentage of premium will be 12.35 upon 40.95 into 100, which approximately comes out to be 30.2%, and hence the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. Answer the question on the basis of the charts given below. The line graph gives the global prices for coffee seeds in dollars per quintal and the risk premium percentage of price for the period 1980-2004. The pie chart gives the breakup of the global price of coffee seeds in 2004. The global price for coffee seeds remains the same across the different coffee producing countries for the given year. What is the average value for the risk premium per quintal for the period 1985 to 1999? Consider that the risk premium per coffee seeds price per quintal remains the same as the previous known value for the intermediate years. We can calculate the risk premium per year 1985-1989 as 0.18 into 17, that is $3.06. The risk premium for 1990 to 1994 will be 0.17 into 24, that is $4.08, and the risk premium for 1995 to 1999 will be 0.11 into 14, that is $1.54. So, the average premium will be 5 by 15 into 3.06 plus 4.08 plus 1.54. That will be $2.9, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Answer the question on the basis of the charts given below. The line graph gives the global prices for coffee seeds in dollars per quintal and the risk premium as percentage of price for the period 1980 to 2004. The pie chart gives the breakup of global price of coffee seeds in 2004. The global price for coffee seeds remains the same across the different coffee producing countries for the given year. What is the average fluctuation in terms of percentage in the price of coffee seeds per quintal per year between 1980 and 2004? Fluctuation between (1985) and 1980 is $17 minus $37, that is minus $20. Fluctuation between 1990 and 1985 is $24 minus $17, that is $7. Fluctuation between 1995 and 1990 is $14 minus $24, that is minus $10. Fluctuation between 2000 and 1995 is $15 minus $14, that is $1. And finally, the fluctuation between 2004 and 2000 is $39 minus $15, that is $24. Therefore, average fluctuation per year between 1985 and 1980 will be minus 20 upon 37 into 5 into 100, that will be minus 10.81%. Average fluctuation between (1990) and 1985 will be 7 by 17 into 5 whole into 100, that will be 8.24%. Similarly, calculating average fluctuations for other time spans, we get the fluctuation for 1995 and 1990 as minus 8.33%, that between 2000 and 1995 as 1.43%, and finally between 2004 and 2000 as 40%. Therefore, the average fluctuation in coffee price per quintal per year will be 5 into minus 10.81 plus 8.24 minus 8.33 plus 1.43 plus 40 into 4 whole upon 25, that comes out to be 4.69%, and hence the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you.